Monthly interest calculation formula.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be talking about an important topic, the formula for calculating monthly interest. Whether you're saving money, investing, or taking out a loan, understanding how to calculate monthly interest is crucial. So, let's dive in and explore the formula step by step.
What is monthly interest?
Before we jump into the formula, let's quickly clarify what monthly interest actually means. Monthly interest refers to the amount of interest charged or earned on a loan or investment over a 1-month period. It's typically expressed as a percentage and is based on the principal amount and the interest rate.
The formula.
Now, let's unveil the formula for calculating monthly interest. The formula is monthly interest equals principal amount times interest rate, number of months. In this formula, we multiply the principal amount, the initial amount of money involved, by the interest rate, expressed as a decimal, and divide the result by the number of months to get the monthly interest.
Understanding the components.
To ensure a clear understanding of the formula, let's break down the components. Principal amount. This represents the initial amount of money involved in the transaction. For example, if you're calculating the interest on a loan, the principal amount would be the original loan amount. Interest rate. The interest rate is the percentage charged or earned on the principal amount. It is usually stated as an annual percentage rate, APR. However, to calculate monthly interest, we need to convert the annual rate into a monthly rate by dividing it by 12, assuming interest is compounded monthly. Number of months. This refers to the duration for which you want to calculate the monthly interest. It could be the number of months in a loan term or the length of an investment.
Example calculation.
Let's go through an example calculation to see the formula in action. Suppose you have a savings account with a principal amount of $10,000, an annual interest rate of 4.8%, and you want to calculate the monthly interest for a period of 12 months. Using the formula, we plug in the values. Monthly interest equals $10,000 times 0.048. 12. Simplifying the equation gives us monthly interest equals $40. So, in this example, the monthly interest on your savings account would be $40. And there you have it. The formula for calculating monthly interest is principal amount times interest rate, number of months. Remember to adjust the interest rate to a monthly rate by dividing the annual rate by 12. By using this formula, you'll be able to determine the monthly interest on loans or investments, allowing you to make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. Until next time, take care and happy calculating.